I can finally sleep with my wife again, thanks to this new device. Finding this anti-snoring mouthpiece was a game changer. Snoring happens because of airway restrictions, but VitalSleep solved that for me. Its adjustable tray advances my jaw and opens my airway, reducing my snoring and improving my sleep quality. The fitting process was easy. Heat it in water, mold it to your teeth, and adjust the tray based on your snoring intensity. I love that it's a custom fit, made in the USA, and FDA cleared. It comes with a money back guarantee and a 1-year warranty, so there's nothing to lose. Thanks to Vital Sleep, I get deeper, better quality sleep, and I feel refreshed throughout the day. Best of all, I can sleep with my wife again.